Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a Toshiba C55 model laptop, and you can see here it's broken from this side. And guys, now I will fix this problem. First I have to remove all this screw here back side. So guys, always check if these two sides have a screw or not. So guys, almost to remove all the screw. So now I will remove the back part. And guys, here you can see is the body is broken. So guys, also can see it's broken charging socket. I fix it first and then I will work. So guys, I have to fix this first. So guys, this is done. Okay guys, now I will use some super glue here and then I use the another glue. I just use little bit super glue for make it strong. I just use the charging socket here. So guys, I have a M-seal glue. You can see I take it little bit and mix it with water. See here, if you use the little bit water, it's very good to mix. See guys, it's already mixed it. So now I will use this here. Body, and use here is on a screw. And this side also on a screw, and use the battery. So guys, for now I will keep it for see guys, now it's very strong and I can use little bit super glue from this side. Guys, it's very strong now, you can see, and you can also use the charger. See, this is working, and now is displays down. Just fix it. So keep it long time and you see it is working perfectly. So guys, it's very strong now. Fix it. It's working everything. Now it's strong. You can use. And see guys, it is working perfectly now. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Hey guys, see, after fix can use it easily and no problem. It's working perfectly, and also not looking it was the fix it, as this plastic is no help. And see, it's total fix it. I hope you like my video guys. please subscribe my channel if you are new, and you already subscribed. Thank you so much.